Now we can take this side off, see what we're dealing with. That's a finger joint. No, we're using this. It's okay, got new trim. Might as well, not in the best shape, so. Oh, I guess I could take the top piece off too, since it's just falling off. Just want to be careful of that rain cap up here, not to damage it too much. Take these nails out. So I'm going to jam this insulation in. Anytime you jam insulation in, it creates less of an R value, but that's okay. It's going to be less effective, but we're putting more insulation in here, and there's not a lot of insulation in here. So, and as I'm doing this, I'm feeling for screws, and I'm not feeling any. There's missing insulation there, but I can see right here, there's one screw. So this might have been an afterthought. If you look on this side, there's a screw right here. And that's also why I like to hide them. But I'm gonna take that one out and just put 3 new ones in. On this side, I'm gonna put those 3-inch screws in through the hinge. That will secure this jamb, and it will also help if this door starts to sag over time. I mean, it's been here for 30 years, but that may be what this screw was for. That will help to not have it sag. So I'll put one there, and then I'll go down to this hinge. I'll take this screw out, because this is all that's holding that door in. I'll replace that with a 3-inch, and then one down here. Just like that. Now I can put my shims right in line with that. So on this side, this is tight to here. It seems more solid than the other side, so I'm not gonna bother putting blocks here. If you go up, I'm gonna leave this screw in here too. That'll hold it tight right here while I put some screws in. So you can get screws to match this. This is a pretty close match though. So be fine with using this. I'm gonna angle it slightly because it's not gonna go into a ton of framing. Just with a slight angle so that the head doesn't stick out, should be fine. Just like that. And one at the bottom. Let's see how the reveal is. So now we can check that reveal. And that definitely helped out, pushing those shims over. And as you go up, it's pretty even. So that's good, but it is a little tight in the middle. So I'm just gonna pull these screws in a little bit right here and on the hinge side and see if that helps. That's pretty good.